Привет! Как ваши дела? So we already know that each noun in singular form has its own gender. And there are 3 genders in the Russian language: masculine, feminine, neuter. And today we are going to talk about plural nouns, the way we can form them in the Russian language. So let's check the table. So this is the table that will help us to understand how can we form plural nouns in the Russian language. When a noun changes for a number, its ending changes too. We know that there are 3 genders in the Russian language in singular form: masculine, feminine, neuter. Let's take a look at masculine nouns. Masculine nouns that end with consonant, in plural form, they will have ending «ы». Let's take a look at some examples. Кот, коты. Компьютер, компьютеры. Masculine nouns that end with letters y and soft sign. In plural, they will have ending «и». For example, герой, it ends with letter y. In plural, it will be герои. Словарь, which ends with soft sign. In plural, we replace soft sign with letter E. Словари. Masculine nouns that end with these letters, like ж, ш, ч, щ, г, к, х, in plural, they will have ending E. This is connected to a spelling rule that after these letters, we can't use letter «ы». We should use only letter «и». Let's take a look at some examples. Нож, ножи. Карандаш, карандаши. Врач, врачи. Овощ, овощи. Утюг, утюги. Банк, банки. And now let's check some feminine nouns. So we know that feminine nouns end with letters a, ya, and soft sign as well. Let's take a look at those feminine nouns that end with letter a. If we want to make these nouns plural, we replace letter a with letter «ы». For example, газета, газеты. Машина, машины. If feminine noun end with letter ya, then we change letter ya into letter и if we want to make this noun plural. For example, семья, семьи. Линия, линии. Feminine nouns that end with soft sign will also have ending «и» instead of soft sign. Let's take a look at some examples. Дверь, двери. Тетрадь, тетради. Here you can see some examples of feminine nouns with letter «а». But you can see that in plural, we change letter «а» to letter «и», not «ы». Why it happens like this? This is because that before letter «а» there is one from those 7 letters. And don't forget about spelling rule that after these 7 letters we can't use letter «ы». We should use letter «и» only. So let's read these examples. Кожа, кожи. Душа, души. Туча, тучи. Книга, книги. Фабрика, фабрики. And now let's check some neuter nouns. Those neuter nouns that have letter O at the end, in plural, letter O will be replaced by letter A. Место, места, place, places. Окно, window, окна, windows. Also, we know that neuter nouns end with letters ye and yo. If we want to make these nouns plural, then we have to replace letter ye with letter ya. The same with letter yo with letter ya. Поле, поля. Здание, здания. Ружье, ружья. And there are some exceptions. So you can see that these words, they don't follow usual rule because they are exceptions. And let's take a look at them. Дом, дома. Лес, леса. Глаз, глаза. Сорт, сорта. Поезд, поезда. Остров, острова. Адрес, адреса. Вечер, вечера. Учитель, учителя. Some more exceptions. Стул, стулья. Лист, листья. Друг, друзья. Дерево, деревья. And some more exceptions. These words sound completely different in singular form and in plural form. Цветок, цветы. Человек, люди. And there are a lot of exceptions in vocabulary family members. So let's also take a look at these exceptions. Ребенок, дети. Муж, мужья. Жена, жены. Отец, отцы. Мать, матери. Сын, сыновья. Дочь, дочери. Брат, братья. Сестра, сестры. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was really useful for you. Don't give up and keep learning the Russian language with us. Thank you for watching this video. Спасибо. See you soon. До встречи. Пока-пока.